Hey guys, are you want to buy best car fuel additives? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car fuel additives that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Sta-Bil Storage Fuel Stabilizer. The fuel stabilizer is a must-have for anyone relying on small engines, offering a dependable replacement for Cub Cadet models 22216 and 22287. Designed for both 2-cycle and 4-cycle engines, it delivers effective corrosion protection that combats the damaging effects of ethanol-blended fuels, a common issue in today's gasoline. A single 32 ounces bottle treats up to 80 gallons of fuel, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. Simply add 1 ounce per 2.5 gallons of gas to keep fuel fresh and engines running smoothly. What sets this product apart is its ability to prevent varnish and gum deposits, which are notorious for clogging carburetors and fuel lines during storage. Whether you're winterizing lawn equipment, storing a generator, or maintaining a boat engine, this stabilizer extends fuel life and ensures easier starts when the season rolls around. Reliable, efficient, and easy to use, this is essential maintenance for any fuel-powered equipment owner. Now our second product is Lucas Oil 10013 Fuel Treatment. Seafoam motor treatment is the world's #1 fuel additive for a reason. It delivers a powerful tune-up in a bottle for both gasoline and diesel engines. This versatile formula cleans and lubricates the entire fuel system, from injectors and carburetors to the combustion chamber. By eliminating harmful buildup and deposits, it restores optimal fuel flow, resulting in noticeable boosts in power, acceleration, and overall engine performance. One of its standout benefits is improved fuel economy. It burns off excess exhaust emissions, helping engines run cleaner and more efficiently. It also neutralizes sulfur and other harmful contaminants that can shorten the life of pumps and injectors, making it a smart choice for long-term engine care. Whether you're looking to maintain a daily driver, outdoor power equipment, or a high-mileage vehicle, Seafoam extends engine life while delivering smoother starts and better MPG. Perfect for preventive maintenance or restoring neglected engines, trusted by mechanics and drivers alike. Our third product is Brite Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment. Tron Enzyme Fuel Treatment is an all-round engine care solution, compatible with all types of fuels and engines, from cars and trucks to boats and lawn equipment. It tackles the common challenges posed by ethanol-blended fuels, restoring performance and improving fuel efficiency. Designed to revitalize old or stored fuel, it stabilizes gas for up to 2 years and even rejuvenates degraded fuel after long periods of inactivity. This formula actively removes and prevents gum, varnish, and carbon deposits, helping engines run smoother while maximizing MPG. Its unique water dispersal ability breaks down moisture into safe, burnable particles, protecting engines from corrosion. Plus, it reduces smoke and emissions, contributing to cleaner air and better engine health. One of its biggest advantages is its hassle-free usage. Tron mixes seamlessly with other additives, with no need for precise measurements. It's an easy, effective way to maintain peak engine performance year-round, whether you're storing a vehicle or driving daily. Now number 4, Ethanol Shield Fuel Stabilizer. This advanced fuel treatment sets a new standard in antioxidants and anticorrosives, making it an essential companion for aging engines and high-performance machines. Featuring a proprietary top-tier detergent, it minimizes the need for higher-octane fuel as your engine wears, saving money without compromising performance. Its powerful phase separation inhibitor works to maintain fuel integrity, especially in ethanol-blended gas, while enhancing the bond between 2-cycle oil and gasoline for smoother, more consistent combustion. Equipped with combustion cool technology, CCT, it dramatically slows fuel aging, helping stored fuel stay fresher longer. The formula also delivers exceptional upper cylinder lubrication, reducing friction and wear for long-term engine protection. Additionally, it offers vital defense for rubber and plastic components, prolonging equipment life. Whether you're maintaining a motorcycle, lawn equipment, or marine engine, this is a smart investment in performance and reliability. It keeps fuel fresh, engines cool, and components protected, making every start smoother and every ride more efficient. And our last choice is Dura Lube Fuel Additive. This fuel treatment is engineered to boost your vehicle's performance and protect essential engine components. Simply add at any time to improve fuel system efficiency, maintain smooth operation, and enhance overall engine response. For best results, it's especially recommended for use before replacing a catalytic converter, helping extend its life and prevent costly repairs. The formula acts as a protective shield for your catalytic system by reducing harmful oil contaminants while maintaining optimal catalytic efficiency. It effectively lowers phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet, two elements that are known to clog and impair catalytic converters over time. With universal compatibility, this treatment works on all engine types, making it a versatile addition to your maintenance routine. Plus, it supports improved fuel economy, helping you save money at the pump while keeping your engine cleaner and more efficient. Whether you're maintaining an older vehicle or optimizing a newer one, this additive is a smart, preventive solution for long-term engine health. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.